How to change camera view in Need for Speed. If you want a better angle while racing, here's how to change camera view in Need for Speed right on your iPhone. Let's open our Need for Speed application. At first, you have to enter any race or event so you can access the in-game camera control. Now, you have to look for the camera icon, which is usually at the top or side of the screen. Tap it once to switch the view. Each tab cycles through different camera angles like behind the car, hood view and cinematic. Pick the view that gives you the best control and visibility. Perfect for drifting, dodging and winning. And that's how you change camera view in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.